Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Figma plugins for auto layout brand consistency, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Figma on your computer. Navigate to the Figma community section from the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type Figma plugins. Press enter to view the use filters to narrow down results, focusing on auto layout or brand consistency. Take your time to browse the options. Click on a plugin that interests you to view its details. Read the description and check user ratings. Look for any user reviews that might help you decide. When you've found a plugin you want to use, click on the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you'll receive a confirmation message. To access your new plugin, go back to your Figma file. Click on the Plugins option in the top menu. Select Manage Plugins to view all your installed plugins. Find the one you just installed and click on it to launch it. Follow any setup instructions provided by the plugin. Utilize the plugin features to enhance your designs. Regularly check for plugin updates in the community section. Continue exploring other plugins to improve your workflow. Remember to experiment with different combinations for brand consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.